So it's been a little bit since we've talked about some insider trading, right? It's been a couple weeks, so we might as well do it. We might as well talk about the top insider moves that were made recently in the stock market. And guys, you're going to want to watch this. So hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Of course, take a sip of your coffee. Come on, guys, get some coffee in your system, and you might as well get some free stocks. Get some free stocks from Moomoo. Check out the link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo and let's talk about some insider trading, baby. Let's go. Some of the biggest moves that we've seen in recent, time here in the last couple of days, last week or two, and you'll see a lot of these. You guys see the color? It's red. A lot of these are sales. Pretty much all of them are sales, guys. So let's talk about what is going on here. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see here. So let's just run through, man. I haven't really looked much at these myself yet, but we'll cover them here together. So it looks like, we got some sales in SoFi. Wait a second here. So it looks like SLTA LLC, whatever that is, looks like it's a director, the relationship. They sold shares at $16. Wait, did they sell everything? Oh my gosh. So it looks like a director sold every share of SoFi stock, 24 million shares at $386 million. So that's a pretty big sale there a couple of days ago on the 4th. And that reminds me, do you guys remember the Qatar Investment Authority? Is that what it was called? They sold all of their SoFi. We're talking a massive position, a ton of money, pretty much at the bottom. They're probably pissed off right now, considering they did that a couple months ago, and now SoFi stock has gone parabolic, as we've seen, obviously, right? So let's see. We got a sale here on Palantir stock as well, funny enough, at $70. Two stocks that we talk about a lot here on the channel. $70. A director sold 5 million shares, it looks like. $367 million. They still own 752,000 shares. So they sold out a good bulk majority of their position there. It looks like Shyam Sankar, he sold out of there. Let's see what else here, guys. Robinhood, we got a director. Meyer Malka right here, sold out. Let's see. 1.6 million shares, $40 a share, $68 million move there. They still own 3.2 million shares, so they didn't sell a majority of their position, but a director at Robinhood did sell a good chunk here. Looks like they sold a couple days prior as well, another batch of shares. So they sold 1.5 million shares at $40 the prior day, the previous day. So back-to-back days for a director at Robinhood selling 1.5 million shares each day. So that's a pretty big move there. Let's see what else. We got some Cava, some moves in Cava stock. Let's see. You guys know Cava, right? Looks like an officer at Cava proposed sale, 327,000 shares at $150 a share, $49 million move there. So we're getting some selling there. A Tesla director sold, 112,000 shares at $354 a share. $39 million move. They still own 85,000 shares, so they sold actually more than 50% of their position. A director at Tesla, that's pretty interesting. Looks like some other moves here at Tesla, guys. Another director sold on the 4th of December 100,000 shares at $352 a share, $35 million move. They own now 5,000 shares, so they sold like 95% of their position there at Tesla, guys. That is an officer again at Tesla, or what, a director rather. Let's see here. Another SoFi. Oh, it's that same director from before. They were selling some more. Looks like some sales here from Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg sold, which he's been on that trading plan, selling some shares for quite some time here. Nothing crazy. He's selling some more at 611. Let's see, some DoorDash sales. The CEO at DoorDash, let's see what they did. They sold 115,000 shares at $177 a share. $20 million move. Wait a second. What? The CEO of DoorDash owns only 1,500 shares of the stock, and they just sold 115,000? That can't be good. Wait a second. That can't be good news, guys. The CEO, if I'm reading this right, if I have all my info right, CEO of DoorDash on the 2nd of December sold out of like 95% of their stock. Oh, man, that's not good. I would not like to see that. But, hey, I'm not in the stock, so I'm not sweating that one too much. But, yeah, those are some big moves here. Some big moves. Man, a lot of sales. Not many buys here. You know, we're seeing some Carvana here. The chief product officer at Carvana on the 2nd of December sold 44,000 shares. That's an $11 million move. Let me come back up here and actually click on top 10% owner trading recent weeks. So even bigger ownership stakes here. So it looks like some Robinhood proposed sales here. From Bullfrog Capital LP, a 10% owner. Proposed sale here, 1.5 million shares on the 4th of December, 1.6, almost 1.7 million shares on the 5th of December. They're looking to sell about what? $67 million on this day, $59 million on this day, so 112, or not 112, whatever that is, 100 million, over $100 million sale there from Bullfrog Capital on Robinhood. That's a pretty big move. Let's see what else here, guys. I want to talk more about companies that, a lot of us know, right? So we have a lot of sales here in FYBR. This is Frontier Communications Parent Inc. I'm not too familiar with this company, but a lot of sales there from 10% owners. Looks like 660,000 shares. Man, a bunch of shares got sold in that one. Let's see what else. Any notable names here? Maybe Revolve, RVLV. Looks like a 10% owner sold 90,000 shares at $35 a share. $3.2 million. They now own 0 shares. So a 10% owner in Revolve sold out of a good amount. Wait, did I read that wrong? Hold on a second, guys. I might have just screwed that up. Where the heck did Revolve go? I just lost my my placing here. What's going on here, guys? Yeah, I literally just lost my placing. Either way, we do have some notable trades, guys. Some notable sales. A lot in Robinhood. We had a couple there in SoFi, Palantir, which makes sense. I mean, those stocks have gone up a lot, so you can't blame some people out there for selling out a little bit. Same with Tesla. We got some sales in Tesla. Looks like some Palo Alto Networks here. The chief product officer sold 60,000 shares at $389, or about a $23 million move there. They still own 182,000 shares, though, so the chief product officer still owns a lot of their shares in Palo Alto Networks. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. That's kind of what went down over the last couple of days. Some trading, at least. Obviously not. That's not everything. We can't cover everything in this video. But that's kind of a brief update on some moves that we saw, in Meta, Tesla, Palo Alto Networks, Cava, SoFi, Palantir, some selling there in those stocks. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe for more stock market content. And you might as well get your free stocks from Moomoo. Check out the link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.